folks, 828 Find Adventure here. I got this dash cover from Covercraft to kind of cut the glare down on my dash in my Tacoma. Hey, let's go put it in and see if it was worth it. So first, you got to get it out of the box. You unroll it, and you just lay it out on the dash. And at first, you're like, what is this thing? Is this gonna even work? And it actually lays down on there pretty flat. They give you some double stick tape, but I'm not gonna use that. It sits up there actually pretty good and doesn't go anywhere. If you use the double stick tape, it's just gonna put gunk all over your dash, especially in the summer months. Now some trucks will have to use double stick tape no matter what, just because of the shape of the dash. But lucky for me, the Tacoma didn't need it. The Covercraft dash cover comes with pretty decent directions, but they're really not needed. It's kind of self-explanatory. One good thing about it is after a few hours in the sun, it flattens out really well on the dash and doesn't move. I've driven all over the place and it doesn't go anywhere. One thing I love about it is how easily patches stick to it. Any of those Velcro patches you get from different overlanding companies or overlanders, they stick right to it, just like this one from Asheville Vehicle Outfitters. Well folks, there you go. A dash cover. Cut down on the glare, great place to put patches, and you know, I think it was worth it. It was about 40 bucks, you know? So I'm gonna keep it, and I will see you later.